Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to revolutionize your TV experience with the Samsung 43-inch class Crystal UHD U8000F 4K? This stunning device is about to change the way you watch your favorite shows and movies. With its impressive 4K resolution, every shade of color comes alive in dazzling clarity, making you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. You'll notice the powerful 4K upscaling that makes your movies, TV shows, games, and sports look even better, with a level of detail that's simply breathtaking. This TV is not only a feast for the eyes, but it's also a masterpiece of design, crafted from a single metal sheet with a slim bezel that adds a touch of sophistication to any room. Plus, with its triple-layer protection, you can rest assured that your personal data is secure, safeguarded from harmful apps and phishing sites. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice among those who value high-quality entertainment. Imagine being able to watch over 2,700 free channels, including 400 premium channels, without needing a subscription. The sound is crystal clear, and the picture is so sharp you'll feel like you're right there in the scene. Whether you're watching national news, sports, or your favorite movie, this TV upgrades what you watch to crisp 4K clarity, making every detail come to life. With its ability to upscale lower resolution content to 4K, you can enjoy your old favorite films in a whole new way. Overall, the Samsung 43-inch class Crystal UHD U8000F 4K is an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their TV experience, and I highly recommend giving it a try. If this helped, link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.